Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Hyattsville local and long-distance movers near me. If you need support in preparing for the move, we have a moving team to help as much or as little as you want. We can take over from the beginning if you need to get to your new house in a hurry, and make sure that your important belongings are packed and loaded with care. Or we can offer tips for you to make the packing process more manageable and supply the materials you need to protect your things. Our movers in Hyattsville, MD, use the highest quality packing supplies to avoid any type of damage along the way. So we highly recommend that you let us prepare any fragile items for transport. Making a local move is much simpler with the help of a professional services provider. 3 Movers can help with any size project stress-free. If you have a small or huge job, call us for an estimate. Our thoughtful crews are experienced, extremely careful with your belongings, and they understand that your move is important. Our Hyattsville movers will submit a written estimate based on a visual survey of the goods you need to move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hyattsville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.